Hi, welcome to Palladium Time. I'm Leah Margolis, your host, and here joining me first today is Dr. Grace Siegfried. Hi, Doctor.
Hi.
You're here joining us today to tell us what precipitate is, so why don't we just get started?
A precipitate is any solid that forms and separates from a liquid mixture.
Why does a precipitate form?
A precipitate forms because the solid is insoluble in water.
What is an everyday example of precipitate?
An everyday example is your pipes at home when they get clogged. They clog because the precipitates, magnesium and calcium oxides, deposit themselves into the pipe.
Can you show us how a precipitate forms?
In Figure 1, formation of a precipitate in solution. You can see through the suspension and supernate the precipitate is formed.
Thank you so much for joining us today. After this short commercial break, we'll be back for a biological color change.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Coming up next on Channel 46 is me, Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill.
Welcome back. Here we have Dr. KG with us to talk to us about biological color change.
Thanks for having me.
I'm Alyssa.
You're welcome. What exactly is biological color change?
Biological color change, also known as biological pigment change, is when an animal or object in nature changes color. Some examples include leaves, chameleons, and fireflies.
A leaf. Can you tell me more about biological color change in a leaf?
Well, as the leaf gets older, the pigment changes, which changes the color. Pigment is a substance within the leaf that causes it to change color. The pigment changes the color of reflective or transmitted light.
A chameleon. Can you tell me more about that?
A chameleon has transparent skin and several layers of cells underneath it. Each layer has pigment, causing the animal to change color.
And how about a firefly?
So later up, fireflies create a chemical reaction called bioluminescence, which is another example of a pigment change. Fireflies are the most widely known example of bioluminescence.
That's all for Palladium Time. Join us next week as we have guest Bill Nye.